find out watershed by Hong-Kong-based model, LMR was the best. The most influential environmental factors are elevation, slope, and terrain position. Topographic attribute of Hong-Kong and find out watershed in question are different. So when we do a spatial interpolation, and finally in order to increase the accuracy of interpolation, we attempt to add more variable like soil, microclimate, and high spatial spectral resolution. More sense data. Thank you for the attention.
Okay, so thanks. Any comment or suggestion for him? Seems not the case. So just a very short question. So because your survey area is in Huisun, so if you try another survey area, is there some issues, or it can feasible also well for your opinion?
Pixel area. We survey in the pixel area. Yes, the results will. I think can. No problem.
Okay, so any comment or suggestion? Okay, so because the time limit, so let's move to the third presenters. Maybe someone can help you to.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So can you?
Here's some batteries if this thing.
Yeah. So maybe you can help.
Let's
Is
keep
that
it on.
okay for you?